Excuse me, double excuse. Excuse. Move forward. There, good boy. Okay. Am I live? Am I existing? Am I doing things? Seem to be coming through. Okay, hello. How's it going? It is time for suffering. Hello, Frizik. Fuzik. Howzik? What the hell is getting my location right now? What is using my location? Siri is using my location. That bitch! But yay. Hey, you Frizik, and what's C++? C++ is a coding thing. So I guess I'll give a very simple rundown. So to explain the differences and why it is important, let me do one small little tiny thing. Is that working? I actually can't tell. Oh, that's working. Cool, awesome. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Cool. Okay. So what we have is we have a spectrum of languages and stuff. Let me do one small thing because I don't know actually what's going to appear. So let me do this. Let me open an application, and then once the application loads, I will show you thingies, and I will explain some stuff like what the difference between like a scripting language and like a programming language is, and various other things like that. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's create this. We will then re-enable the screen share so I can explain it all. Okay, and then here we are. Okay, awesome. So let's make this a dark mode thing so I can loosely explain. You know what, let's make this like a blue because blue just seems like it'd be cute. We'll go for like that blueprint blue, and then we'll just make the thing white, and then that's just what we'll draw with. Yeah. So basically so with programming, there's a bunch of different things, right? So you have, you know, your programming languages, scripting languages, and a bunch of stuff like that. And you might have heard these terms, but you might have no idea what they mean. So to very simply basically go over that, so a scripting language, I'm spelling this wrong, that's a very faint N, a scripting language is something like JavaScript, Python, those sort of things, right? And then you have what's down here is a programming language. And programming languages are something along the lines such as C, C++, you know, Rust, things like that, right? Did you miss anything? No, I actually basically just started. So to very quickly give a catch up is basically somebody asked what C++ is, and I'm very briefly explaining it for everybody who's curious, so we're all on the same page. So, oh yeah, and then up here is also GD script because that is relevant to today's conversation. So, there is two things about scripting languages that I don't like. So the first is that they attempt to abstract in bad ways. So I'll put like bad abstraction. Abstract. And then the reason why I don't like bad abstractions is because they're bad. So for instance, when it comes to something like coding, I'll pull out the terminal for this because why not? So let's go here. Let's just do a quick nvim, and then we'll make you a little bit larger, and then we'll make sure to run you. Okay, so here we are. So I'm in the thing. I'm just going to start typing. So let's just pretend I'm coding something like C. Or actually, let's do something similar to JavaScript because I know JavaScript a little bit better and it's a little bit looser, right? So I can do something like var for variable. I can name the variable thing. And then we can say thing is equal to 1, right? And then what I can do later is I can then say, okay, so like thing, I then want to be equal to thing plus 1. And then what that does is going to be an increment of the previous one. Currently I'm using macOS for the question from Frizik, what OS do you use, is what I'm streaming on right now and what I'm working on is macOS. That is my main workhorse. And then I use Windows for certain online games, and then I use Linux for effectively everything else. So So yeah, that's kind of my vibe. I'm kind of platform agnostic. I try not to be like overly hateful on any platforms. I would drop Windows if I could, but the issue is that it's too abundant, so I don't want to become bad at it. And Linux is cool. My main issue with Linux is that there's a lack of platform uniformity, and there's a lot of missing documentation for things, which ultimately does kind of have to make you a mini expert in the operating system to do things with it, right? So that's where it kind of becomes an issue. Anyway, so jumping back into the whole explanation thing, shoopy, I'm here for the bludity. Bludity. I don't know how to say that, but hell yeah. Actually, I was, fun little spoilers, next weekend I'm thinking of playing, Hyper Demon, I think it's called, which seems like an absolute clusterfuck. It depends how things go, but, like, if things go well, then that'll be my plan. If not, then I'll do something else. We'll see. You use Arch, by the way? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Arch isn't bad. My main issue with Arch is that I find it's a touch too rough. And I know they just added the installer, but, like, the installer still breaks for me, and it's just like, eh. Like I've done the install process before, and then I'm just like, that's good enough for me. It's not, like, my flavor. I actually enjoy Manjaro. Like, once I have, like, a setup system, like Manjaro, cough, cough, then I actually do enjoy it. I just don't like getting to the point of, like, needing to figure it out, you know? That's sort of my main, like, complaint, I suppose. Anyway, so where was I going with this? There's something I wanted to Google. I can't remember what it was. I can't remember what I was going to Google. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go back to the explanation then, because why not? So with JavaScript, a scripting language is like this. I'll just do this, and I'll say like JavaScript, and then, you know, so then you have this. So there's a couple things here that, like, I really like about programming, which is, or not programming, but, like, certain languages. So those things is that I really like a clear delineator, or delimiter, where basically it's like, okay, this is the end of a statement. I don't like implied ends or whatever, because I think implied ends are generally stupid. So, for instance, in JavaScript, I can take these lines and I can do this, and that's still valid. In fact, actually, I can take out the space for a lot of these, and, like, this is still valid JavaScript right here. So, like, this line, now that I just condensed, that's all still valid, and that's one reason that I actually like JavaScript. Like, don't get me wrong, I definitely have things to complain about JavaScript, but that's something that I like. The issue is that there's no low-level control. So what actually happens is that a lot of what you do is abstracted away. So if I do something like open a new tab, right? So I'll just do new. I did not mean to go to Newgrounds. I don't know what's going to appear on Newgrounds. I don't remember if Newgrounds is safe for work or not, so let's not do that. Let's do ArtStation, I guess, because why not? So if we go to ArtStation, huzzah. Where the fuck did I... Okay, I don't know where that tab loaded from. Anyways, but then if we then inspect the page, right? So here's, like, your thing. You can go to the console, and then you can do something like, if we do... Ignore all these are mostly relevant. That's pretty common on every website. If I do something like fetch, and I do, like, a URL, so if I do something like, say, google.com, I can then do something like this, which will then return a massive object like this, right? And then you'll see there's a bunch of different things and stuff that's included. So the reason why I'm sharing this is because when you create a value in JavaScript, it'll have extra information like this. This is completely different information. This is not remotely the same thing. But when you, like, define, like, a number in JavaScript, there's, like, additional tagging information that goes on with it instead of just being implied, which is sort of what the not the issue, but at least to a lot of complaints, I should say. And then the second thing that I don't like about JavaScript, and this is what basically every scripting language does, is they use something called a garbage collector. And so the long story short about that is that, so actually, yeah, so I'll make this number 2 is a garbage collection, which I'll just label as a GC. Let me do capital G. G.C for garbage collection. So the way that you can think about garbage collection very simply is basically over time as you work on your program, right? You know, like, each thing you define is like a little bit more storage, and it keeps building up and up and up and up until you have, you know, massive stacks of data that need to, you know, that are probably not relevant anymore, right? So with a low-level programming language like, say, C, C++, Rust, so on and so forth, you actually have to manually allocate and deallocate those things. And fun fact, if you ever heard malloc in C, malloc is just a shorthand for memory allocate. Ta-da. But so the way it ultimately works, long story short, sorry. So that's how a traditional thing would work. A programming language would work, whereas a scripting language such as JavaScript, Python, Godot script, they need to involve something called garbage collection, and I think C#. I actually don't know if Godot script uses garbage collection, so we're going to put an asterisk on that one, but I know C#, Python, JavaScript all do. And then what the issue with garbage collection is that your program will be running, and then it'll reach an arbitrary stop point. There is not always an arbitrary point to this, but at some point, what'll happen is that the computer will basically be like, okay, it's time for, cleanup, right? So then at some point, your computer will stop, and then it'll basically evaluate this entire stack here, and they'll be like, okay, you're good, you're bad, get that out of here, you're good, bad, and then so on and so forth. So as your program grows and bloats, it gets worse and worse and worse and worse. And then additionally garbage collection on a small scale isn't that bad. But if you wonder why there isn't a lot of games in, say, the web browser, or at least complex games, that's one of the reasons why. And actually Unity as well. Unity encounters similar issues because Unity, a lot of the scripting is done in C#, which in turn creates massive issues for developers long term, because what happens is they'll code all their logic in C#, but then what ends up happening is that the garbage collection needs to run, and then so like late game optimization, you just slam into this wall because the garbage collection runs, right? And then the third thing I really hate is often a lot of the time syntax. So what's my asterisk there with syntax? Like you're using something that's simpler. Shouldn't the syntax not be that bad? No, because in the case of this one and this one, Python and Godot, or GD script, they both use significant white space, and that is really annoying. So for instance, let me do one more small example. So I'm gonna go into Ghosty again. Okay. So if I have two lines here, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this off screen. I'm going to press something, and then I'm going to bring this back. And then actually I'm going to go like this, and then I'm going to go like this. So right here, you see two gaps. Which one of these is a space, and which one of these is a tab? You can't tell. Like I know for a fact you can't tell, because I made this font. This font will not do anything to signify to you the difference between a space and a tab. So because of that, there's actually no way to indicate what's happening. So for instance, the reason why I'm complaining about that is because then we jump down to something like here and we say, like GD, something, I have to do something like this, where it's like var, thing is equal to, I don't know, 1 again, right? We'll keep it simple. And then if I do like a function, then what I have to do is like, I'll just name this one funced because why not? And then I can't use squirrely brackets like that. I have to use a semicolon, and then the lines after the semicolon have to be indented with a tab. So as an example, if I go back down to here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with a space, or I delete something, or even I do something weird, like say I do a space here and then a tab, and then I do a pound there, you can't tell there's a space here until you hover over it with your mouse, like freaking archaeological style, trying to sniff out the freaking block. It's so bad and it's so annoying, and I hate significant white space. And that's kind of the slang term for that, is significant white space. And yeah, it's kind of loose in certain instances, but there's so many instances like that where it'll try and infer, and it'll try to be clever, and it'll try to be smart, and it makes me want to off myself. Excuse you, there we are. So then by like a slight expansion, we're gonna do something like C++, right? So C++ is more strict. but it offers a lot more benefits. So, for instance, with something like C++, you need to start in a main function. I forgot the int main because I'm a pleb. Int main like this. Ta-da! And then all your code goes in here. Code here, right? And then so what you can also do with C++, I'll just move this up a little bit. So in C++, you can like define like, a variable out here. But what C++ does is they use something called strict types. So for instance, right here, how there's an int, C++ uses something that I don't actually know the technical term of. I'm going to call it what just happened there? What? Why do I have an overlay of one of my Discord DMs? That's concerning. Okay, moving on. Don't know what's going on. Anyways, but so C++ uses implied functions. So with godot or GD script here, where I had to define function, C++ expects it. So if I want to create a new function, I basically have to specify. Oh, sorry. Let me restart this. So C++, C++ uses strict typing. So what that means is, like with this, I can say var thing equals 1, and then we know that's a number, right? But then what I can do is I can do something like var thing is equal to quote 1, and then now that's a string. And then JavaScript has automatically convert. I actually don't need to do var there because that's a double declaration. But yeah, so anyway, so then I can do something like this. So then basically with our logic here, the thing here magically got converted from a number, which we're doing the logic with here, to a string. Which is a string is just a collection of characters. So like a character is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? And then so a string is an array of characters. An array being like multiple things in an order, right? You don't speak tech language. What the hell are you saying? I'm basically explaining why I dislike scripting languages. The long story short. Don't worry, this part will be over soon, but it's also probably going to be not the most exciting stream because I will be doing game development stuff. So huzzah, maybe. Anyways, so rolling forward. Whoops, did not mean to click over there. So rolling forward, so these use what are referred to as, I believe, implicit types is the term, right? So implicit types basically means that the type of the data can switch at will, right? Like it does whatever and then have fun. That's what all that extra JavaScript stuff I was showing earlier is basically it's just showing that like, hey, there's this data which keeps track of like the state of like this object, which is a variable, which is things, and right? GD script, I don't know if you can do implicit conversions. What you can do is you can do something like this, or you can do like this and then int, which will basically force it to be an integer, which is a number without decimals. And then that basically forces that to happen. And then with C++, the beauty that is C++, what you can do instead is you can do like slightly separate things. So as an example, if I wanted to find a variable in C++, there's data types, but the data types that I'll use in this case would be int. So int is an integer, which basically means a whole number without decimals, right? So for instance, I could do like int, and then just to keep it consistent, thing is equal to 1, and then I have to delimit it with a semicolon. But that right there is like a valid variable declaration, right? Then what I can do, but if I then later try to go like thing is equal to, like hello, this right here will error. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to convert it from an integer to what is in C++ a vector type. And a vector is like an array of strings. It's a whole thing. But you get the idea. Or no, that would be a string. I'm mixing up terminology. Blech. My brain is scrambled today. Anyways, but yes, so that's like the fundamental thing there. So we couldn't do this. However, we can still do something like above where we can do, say, like this. Whoops. We can do something like this and then just plap it right here. So, it's like this declaration is valid, this manipulation of the data is valid, this errors. Long story short. So, to carry on, or to move forward just a tiny bit further so I can basically finish up, what actually is really nice is with C++ and things like C++ is I have a lot more control. So, for instance, what will happen, generally speaking, is that if I do something like let's say down here I make a function for C++. So let's just say like I make this like int, and then I'll name this function add, right? So then, you know, anything between these little curly brackets is going to be the code that runs, right? And then as an example, I can take in a variable that's say like an integer, which is which will just be the number that we take in, right? So this is a function like it is right here, or right, well, I didn't do it in JavaScript, but JavaScript has a very similar syntax. But instead of saying func or function, depending on the language, because GD actually doesn't use function, it uses func, because of course it does. And I don't know what to name this thing, just I'll just name it mini script, because functions are basically mini scripts, so it works out. But then, so with here, we don't actually need to say function because it's implicit with what we're doing, but we have to define the return type. The return type is, so as I was mentioning up here with the data types, the return type is basically once the function is completed, what does that function hand back to like the code, right? So as an example, what I can do is I can say instead, I can say thing is equal to add. And then within add, I'll pass in the value of thing, and then that'll run. And then if I just doing, I actually want to change it to 1. I'll do add underscore 1. So we'll do that. We'll do add underscore 1. So now with this, what I can then do is I can then say return, and then with the return, I can do num plus 1. So then what that will do is basically as a function, we're just taking in the value of, or sorry, we're taking in the value of thing, which is being assigned to num here of the type integer, and then we're returning a value, which is just going to be the value that we took in plus 1, because that's what the function is named, so we don't want to deviate from that. We can, but it'd be very stupid if we deviated from that. And then, the main function up here does need a return. It needs to be an integer, but we just do, general convention is like return, oh my god, return and then like 0 as an example. That is general sort of loose convention, right? But yeah, so that's how C++ goes. And then so basically what's happening here is when we define int num, what's basically happening under the hood is it's basically saying like, okay, so like integer of num is equal to, you know, input, and then it's going to be like, okay, so then like what basically happens here is the computer's basically saying, okay, so like num is equal to number, whoop, I did that backwards for some reason, is equal to number plus 1, right? And then it returns that here by basically handing it back, right? So actually, there's this one resource if you wanna see what computers actually speak with. It's I believe it's Compiler Explorer. I'll read your message in just a second. I just want to finish this thought. So what this thing is here is what you see on the right here is actually the machine code that actually gets sent to like the CPU. This is what the CPU is running on your hardware. So for instance, if we take in something simple like, say, I clicked on the wrong thing, oops. If I were taken something like, say, this very simple C++ function, and then I were to paste that into here, and then I just want to rename main to something like example, because I think it needs example. Compilation failed. Let's see, what am I doing wrong here? You're fine, you're fine. That's fine, that's fine. This is an error, but that's fine. Add underscore 1. It's saying this is an error. Oh no, okay. So sorry. This is one of the thorny areas. Is that sometimes with these more strict languages, things need to be ordered in a certain way. If I do this, this should run now. There we are. Huzzah! But where I'm going with this is, I'm sorry, I'm gonna burn your eyes for a second. Get ready for light mode. Boink. Hey, they actually have a native dark mode. Let's go. Anyways, but so you can see as I hover over this, you can actually see the highlighted parts of what's running, right? So you can just see all the code that's happening. You can see what's running and yada yada yada. So what's nice is that more or less for each one of these, there's a direct correlation here. And then as an example too, with the ads section, you will see here that I don't know this for certain, so don't quote me on this, but I believe that basically push is basically add this value to the register. This is doing some like arithmetic logic, and then pop means remove. So what's happening, and this is the whole crux of the point, which is why I think something like C++ is neat, is that at runtime, instead of needing to reevaluate all of your data at some arbitrary point, what ends up happening instead is that we don't need to do that. We can just say, hey, you know, when this function's done, just get rid of the data, and then it's gone, right? Which makes it so beautiful. It's delicious. It's scrumptious. So the long story short is with the engine development section, what we are going to attempt to do is I want to try implement just a very basic C++ logic thing, which will probably just be something similar to the add one. I want to see what the C++ experience is like in Godot, to see if I enjoy it, because honestly I haven't been enjoying Godot yet. I've been attempting to, but honestly the significant white space has really been hurting it for me. So I'm hoping that by being able to use something like C++ will make my life a lot easier. Now to read your statement, V1. You recently beat the first Encore in the Ultra Kill. It was my first ever D rank ever. I think that was very similar to mine. My D ranks, it definitely wasn't my first D rank, but like I went through the game very casually, right? So like I wasn't really concerned about rank. You know what? Actually, now that you mention that, I'm actually curious now. If you remember, I said that on my Ultra Kill stream, if I got 15 likes on that stream, I would go back and try to do some P levels. So let's see how that goes. So let's see what the stream's at, shall we? Do I have to commit to an Ultra Kill stream now or later, or where is it? It was the second one. I haven't played Ultra Kills in days, honestly. That's valid. Oh, we're at 10 likes. I'm still 5 off. Woo! So look at that. I am no longer bound by the by the confines of that. Okay. So that was a lot of rambling. That was 35 minutes of rambles. Your computer can't handle Ultra Kill. I'm sorry to hear that. Honestly, I've been kind of having an issue to play Ultra Kill. I might squeeze a little bit more Ultra Kill in at the end of the stream. Not gonna lie. Okay. Okay, what? Okay, what? What is he okay to? Let's see. So let's see. So let's see what the engine development has for us. So, oh god, there's a section on compiling too. God damn it. Getting the source code, interpretable system, compiling from Mac OS. Okay. I don't recall if I need to do that. Do I need to? Okay. So what I want to do first is I want to look at editor development. Or engine development, and I want to create a module. Setting up a development environment. Is that where it was? I don't think it's in. Yeah, I don't think it's in here. No. I also like how there's all these Android Studio. What? I like how there's all these, but there's not one for like Vim. I guess they're using Vim. They expect you to know it, but still. So where's the C++ modules? Because that's something that I definitely want to play with. Custom modules in C++. Modules. Godot allows extending the engine in a modular way. New modules can be created and then enabled/disabled. This allows for adding new engine functionality at every level without modifying the core, which can be split in for use and reuse in different modules. Modules are located in the modules / subdirectory of the build system. By default, dozens of modules are enabled, such as GDScript, which, yes, is not part of the base engine, the mod of runtime, a regular expression module, and others. As many new modules as many new modules as desired can be created and combined. The scons build system will take care of it transparently. Okay, so we are going to need to download the source code. So what I will do is I'm going to open this in a new tab, and I'm very quickly going to just make sure I got the What is the SC cons build system? What? Godot use the SC cons build to love. We love it. We're not in charge. We're not charging it for anything else. We're not even sure what other build systems are attached to the Godot. Okay. Compiling for macOS. What nightmare have I gotten myself into already? Compiling macOS. Requisites. For compiling macOS, please enter the required. Okay. Let's go to the terminal and see what I even have. I don't want to open Fruity Loops. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Force quit. There we are. Let me hide the screen for 2 seconds just to peek at a thing. There we are. Okay. It was a work-related message, so I thought that's what it was. So thus the pause. I apologize. Anyways, rolling forward. So now that we're here, let's force quit out of that. So okay, so it wants me to do Python. So I should have which. No, it's not which Python. I need to do just Python --v. Python -v. Oh no, it's Python 3-v. Excuse me? Quit? What? Oh my god, it wants me to call it as a function? Are you serious? Python 3 version. Unknown option -e? Excuse me? Oh, it wants --v, that's why. 3.11. Okay, let's see. Let's fix that real quickly. So let's do a brew upgrade. Okay, so we're gonna let that run real quickly, and then so what's next? So we need. I know. I got Xcode, optional WASM for WebM SIMD optimizations. Oof. Okay, what is SCons 3? I actually have no idea what SCons 3 is. SCons, a software construction tool. What is SCons? SCons is an open source construction tool. I think SCons is an improvised cross-platform substitute for the classic Make utility with integrated functionality. Okay, let's be cheap as hell. Let's just search SCons, and then we're gonna go brew because it's open source, so I don't have to worry about that. No, not BRW. I want brew, please. Thank you. SCons. Okay, so we're gonna have to run this first, but then once this is done, then we can bump over to this. That's the right link, yes. Okay. Alas! Hey, it's an MIT license. Look at that. And now we have to wait for an update, because of course we do. Might as well launch Godot in that time. Or wait, no, we were downloading Godot, weren't we? Okay, so where's the source code that I need to get? Is it available on GitHub? Yeah. So I'm just gonna hit download zip, please. Save. I'm curious how big the engine is. How big is the engine source code if I look at it? No information. Got it. Neat. Oh, it's only 60 megabytes. Only 60 megabytes. Oh, peasantry. Okay, well there's that. So let's very quickly slam you into the targets thing. Let's see. So we got, I'm going to my Unraid server. I don't need to go to my Unraid server. I want to go into my assets. I want to go into, I just realized this might have client info, so I should probably hide this. Let's see, there's that. I need to then go into my media kit, no, not my media kit, it's my projects folder. Ha ha ha. What is my projects folder? Where's my projects? Oh, it's in the assets folder. Oops. Projects. Do I got the projects? Yes. Okay, and then what was 09 built on? 09 was built on freaking. I'm trying to remember the number. 183. Got it. Alright, so I got 183. Let's see, I'm gonna make a new folder here. I'm gonna name this Godot. Godot. Oh my gosh, Godot underscore modules underscore test. Because holy crap, that's where we're at. And then we're just gonna drop that zip bomb in there. We're gonna open that up. I wonder how big the unzip version is. It's unzipping right now off screen. I apologize. Let's see. So it's almost unzipped. There we are. Okay, how big is it now that it's unzipped? It is 258.3 megabytes. Yeah, that's close to what I was expecting for the engine. Especially considering it was a mobile app. Okay. So that took a while to run, but it ran. So alas, we're cool. Okay, so now that all of this is still running, You know, while this is running, I guess I'll go over why I prefer you know, actual coding languages now or programming languages. So, with programming languages, the big benefits that I like, and this is me, so you know, fight me, you know, punch me. I don't care. I'm a masochist. But so the main things is that one is going to be control, control. So that's the memory management, right? MGMNT. The second thing I like is I actually find the syntax easier and better, so it'd be better syntax for me. Better syntax, and then 3 would be no GC, which is kind of just the opposite of the one above. Oh yes, I forgot to explain bad abstract. So the reason why I say bad abstraction is because when you write, there is certain things that you expect and don't expect, and there's kind of like alterations on that, right? So how do I put this? So when you write a sentence, as an example, right? You know, let's just do something like let's grab the dot. Where's the frickin' text tool for Krita? Where's the text tool? I'm blind. Oh, it's the second tool. Ha. Okay, anyways. But so if I do something like this, and then we'll just type in here, right? So if I were to type a sentence following like general English standard, it would be like, hello, you know, how are you doing? Question mark. You know, there's some things here that we expect, such as, you know, like, you know, a capital letter. You know, if I wanted to alter this slightly and make it one sentence, you know, I could do like, hello, comma, how are you doing? Question mark. So there's rules like the uppercasing being consistent, the commas, and the question marks all being consistent, right? What I don't like about a lot of implicit languages is that the implied rules seem to just consistently break, and it's very upsetting because, you know, unlike writing a letter where you can be very loose and, you know, it doesn't really matter too much, when you start to like actually have to like compound stuff and pay attention to, it becomes painful. Okay, I'm updating Dolphin. I haven't ran this in a minute. This might be a hot minute. Want to play some Ultra Kill for 5 minutes while I wait for this to run? Let's see. Let's do some Ultra Kill for 5 minutes, shall we? Let's do some of that Ultra Cap. I had a small hankering. Let's see. Ultra Kill. Boink. There we are. How? And then pause. And then what the heck's the issue here? Oh, shush you. Oh, shush you. Oh, shush you. Let's real quickly just do this. Ah! I died. 1 second. 1 second, my face froze. My face froze. My face froze. Yeah, there we go. Huzzah! Okay, so there's that. I think I fixed my face now. I think my face is working. Is my face working now? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. There we go. Cool. What is over me? Don't care. Are we good? Go away. Huh? Oh, I think we're good. Alright, I think we're good now. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna run these updates on the side. I didn't know I'd have this many updates to do. Oh, look at that. The update's just finished. Let's do very quickly though first. Let's run the install SCCons thing, because that's going to be a thing. And then once the SCCons thing runs, then and only then we will move on. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's see. So, hey, violence, muhihahuhaha. Oh, look, it already finished. Well, whatever. We're already here. We'll do one level of Ultra Kill, because screw it. Let's see. Frickin', let's restart. Oh, frick, wrong thing. No, I want to do, brutal, I think, is, the ultimate one, yeah. We'll try one on brutal and see how that goes. See how my memory is doing on this game. And then after this, we will suffer with more actual coding. Nah. No calibration. Murder. Current objective, find a weapon. Ah, yes, this again. Mankind is dead. Blood is fuel. Hell is fuel. Hell is full. Hell is full. Hell is full. Hell is full. Okay, yes, so we're back to here. Do I have a gold fist now? What? Why does my fist look golden? Whatever. Whoa. Doink. Hi, are these guys? Oh, they're just hanging. Neat. Cool. Wait, where am I going now? Boing, boing, boing. Boing. I don't remember where I'm going. Woo! First level. Do you listen to music? Yeah, I listen to a lot of music. What is your leading question there? I just realized I also had to leave I accidentally left the stream music on, so let's fix that. But yeah, I do. What are you thinking in that regards? What's the leading question with that? Because normally it's gonna be, it falls into like do you listen to this or that or whatever. Okay, oh, hey, look, all my weapons are back now. Yay! Whoa. Okay, oh, those guys like fly now. See, neat. So does enemy behavior change on like brutal or something, or is it just like, oh, I forgot I had this thing. Yay! I actually don't remember what the hell's going on. Did I get him? Oh, no, go there. Neat. What? Okay. Hi! I thought I got that one like 3 times. Okay. Okay, I see this is what we're doing. I see. Literally down on the first room. Them diving like that definitely mixes me up a lot. Let's see. Whoop. Okay, I don't feel like that's the play. Okay, I thought I had a shotgun. I mean, like, I know I have a shotgun. I'm just trying to figure out where the shotgun might possibly be. Because I have no idea, honestly. Just screaming. I'll take it. Alright, where am I going with this? I think that's the room, isn't it? There we go. Is there gonna be one more wave, or is it good? I can't tell what's happening. Are you still alive or something? Oh, that was the last one, wasn't it? Yep. Okay. But anyways, yeah, no, I listen to a lot of music, I make music, I do a lot of things like that. Whoops, hello. Let's see. Whoa! Oh! Go away. Go away! Okay, let's see. So I've noticed that, my current loadout is, kind of bad for, charge shotting or whatever. Come on. Really? You're gonna do that crap? You're gonna do that crap? That's lame. Whoa! Nope. Okay, what can I do about this? No, I can't wall jump a 3rd time. Fuck. Okay, whoops. Don't mind me. Okay, I didn't mean to hit that guy, honestly, but hey, I'll take it. Boing. I know there's an orb over there, but I don't really care about the orbs. Let's see. Whoops. Not me to do that. But sure, I'll take it. Cool. Anyway, whoops! There's those guys. Did not see those guys. Alright, alright, 2 more left. Or something. Alright, there's all of them. Come on, me up. Yeah! Let's go. Whoop. Hello. Oh, that's a lot of them. That's a lot of them. Please, don't mind me. Did I get him? Nope. Okay, I see. Okay. Whoops. Coming to pause. I don't know what I'm doing. Whoops. What am I doing? Ah! Point. Oh yeah, right up the rail cannon. What did I forget about the rail cannon? That's silly of me. Husky. Hello. Yeah, I'm aware of the ground sound. Oh, there's that guy. Anyway, let's just go. Bing! Bing! Aw, I had to talk to myself. Wait. No, okay. Off to this. Where? Oh, what's ahead? Oh, that motor has a lot of health now. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a lot of damage. What? I want more damage. One more damage. Give me more damage. Oh, yeah, I see it's blocking it. Neat. Alright, okay. Well, there's level 1. I'm curious how I did on the brutal difficulty. Took me a second to get, like, back into the flow of it. B... S? Ooh. Style. S? Okay, that's okay. Hey, an A rank. Look at that. Look at that. You get 5 kills with a single glass panel. Neat! Okay. Well, no, that's done. Time to go back to suffering with, whatever the heck it's called, with, frickin', thingy thangs. You know thingy thangs? Thingy thangs, right? Thingy thangs. Alright. Back to the coding. Unfortunately. Okay. I was honestly expecting the install for this to take way longer. Okay, so where are we going from here? So, modules, yeah, I did that. Okay, so we're gonna get back to the build system. So, usually listen to music above 200 BPM. That sounds intense. That sounds very intense. Hey, MJB, how's it going? Oops, wrong thing. Boink. Haha, you thought there was gonna be something interesting. It's boring. Surprise. Anyways, yeah. How does what type of things do you listen to that are above 200 BPM? Because that sounds like generally insane. Because it is intense, yeah. That honestly to me sounds like something where it's like the music is going to be like played a lot like half beat. So like it might be tuned to like 200, but like the kick is on like every like, you know, like 8th beat almost. It sounds like it'd be something like that to me almost. I could be wrong, but I know like things like Noisia are like a genre. Isn't that the genre? Noisia? Noisia. Jinri. Oh wait, was it? No. Okay. No, it isn't nausea, but it's like. Okay, so it isn't nausea, but there's like something like N-O-I-S-E-A, noise music, genre. Yeah, like there's like things in this contemporary noise. There's things. There's stuff like that where like I think the songs are quite literally tuned to like 900 plus BPM, and like it's a thing. It is a circumstance that certainly happens. Let's see. So, okay, so we got the source code now. If you're compiling it, in order to make contributions to pull requests, you should follow the instructions from the pull request workflow. Not going to. If you don't know much about Git, yeah, I don't care about Git. I already know it enough. In general, you need to do that. I don't care. Afterwards, get the latest. Oh yeah, I should go jump to that version that we're at. So, excuse you. Fuck off. Why did it do that? Here, one second. I'm gonna do a thing. That's annoying. Let's see. I'm gonna do this actually. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna change you to be a not an application capture, a window capture, please. And then the window I want you to capture is going to be Zen, because I've had stuff like that happen a few times now, and it's just very annoying. Okay, so we got that. I'm just going to rename this to Zen, Zen, and then we also got one more that I need to add, so we'll do a screen capture thing. We're going to do 4 dash, and then this one will be terminal, there we are, and then instead of it being that, I'm going to set it to be a window capture, please. And the window capture I want to be ghosty. Yay! Okay, this is covering my face. OBS, thank you, but no. Alright, come on. There we are. There we go. Awesome. Okay, and then here's this thing. which is locked for whatever reason, which I need to now move over. Excuse me, can I not move you? Why can't I? I can move the other one. There we go. It is not perfect, but it works. Okay, so now that we've got that, let me drag the terminal into here. There we are. Okay, there is my workflow. Huzzah. Okay, we are suffering now. Yes, okay, anyway, so where are we at? So what I wanted to do now, because frickin' for whatever reason, it opened that up on like a different workflow page. Like, what? That's so stupid. Yeah, it's so stupid. That's so stupid. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. Okay, yeah, why do I have so many fucking things open over here, too? It's... you know what? Fucking, it's cool. Intuition! Man, really preferring Linux right now. Let's see, though. Yeah, I did all the Git stuff. I don't care about Git. Why are you showing me those Git stuff? Ooh, does it connect well? Ooh, it connects well. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't care. Introduction to the build system. Okay, scons. Use scons. Yep, got that. Am I in the wrong tab? No. Okay. So the goal is to get to do this today. If I can do this today, then I'm going to be happy. Use scons to build. Godot can be compiled for a dozen different platforms. All PC platforms, all mobile platforms, all many consoles and WebAssembly. Developers often compile for several different platforms at the same time, or even different targets at the same platform. They can afford reconfiguring the build and rebuild process each time. scon to do this with no sweat, without breaking builds. scons will never break a build, no matter how many changes, configurations, additions, removals, etc. You have more chances to die struck by lightning than needing to clean and rebuild scons. That sounds like very high praise of the software. That sounds very concerning. Godot build process is not simple. Several files are generated by code binders, others are parse shaders, and others need to offer customization plugins. This requires complex logic, which is easier to write in an actual programming language like Python. That's a scripting language, but sure. Rather than using mostly macro-based language only meant for building. Sure, I can accept that. Godot builds process makes heavy use of cross-compiling tools. Each platform has specific detection processes. All of these need to be handled in specific cases and special code written for each. So please try to keep an open mind and get at least a little familiar with it if you're planning to build Godot yourself. Okay. Yeah, I got all that. I'll do that later because we're trying to just do this for one platform right now, and we'll move on from there. Note that for Windows, that's Visual Studio Code. I don't care. That's on Visual Studio Code. Platform selection. Okay, Godot's build system will begin by detecting all platforms it can build for. If not detected, the platform will simply not appear in the list of available programs. The build requirements for each program are described in the rest of the tutorial section. scons will invoke just by calling scons. If no platform is specified, scons will detect the target platform automatically based on the host platform, and they'll begin building for the host platform. To list available platforms, use scons platforms equals list. Okay, so let's just first go to here. We will cd into the directory that I need to do because that's what I need to do first. So the Godot test is going to be here. And then we're going to do, okay, so it's scons platform equals list. I think that's what they want. We'll wait for it to run and see what we can get. Yay! Let's see. iOS, macOS, and web. Cool. That makes sense. Okay, so that's exactly what I care for. To build for a platform, for example, X11. That's surprising. Run the platform. Run with platform P equals that or that. scons platform. Okay, let's try that then. So let's see. Let's do scons. Scons platform. Oh my god, I'm misspelling everything. Platform equals macOS. Let's see. Warning: target architecture does not support something. Metal rendering driver. Oh, that's fun. Molten VK found at. I'm actually curious now. I actually have no idea. Okay, so it says doing all the compiling there. I'm curious how long this will take. While that runs, what I want to do is I want to open up my Stame. And then I want to see Godot engine. I want to know if Godot engine runs on hang this pen, let you kill cancel. Like what if I go say browse local files, and then we open Godot engine, please. And then where is my Godot at? There it is. Oh, there's also changelogs 4.4. So what are the main changes? Because it's saying a unified experience. I'm morbidly curious while this is compiling. Yeah, I can continue to external site. I can handle it. Unified quality of life for hidden with this release, faster load speeds, reduced stuttering, streamlined process, spotting all the optimizations have been applied now in background time. On top of that, long-awaited comfort features like embedded game windows and interactive in-game editing will feel more in line with the software on the market, making transitioning between them a smoother experience. The editor overhaul takes up a big chunk of this release after all. Okay. I like how it detects that I'm on Linux. Highlights Jolt into action, Jolt physics extension. The Jolt extension has been used as the de facto physics engine by many Godot developers since this implementation whenever. So it's only made sense to integrate into the engine directly. Okay, so new physics engine. That's neat. Oh my god, the song kind of sucks. There we go. That's better. Window management magic. Embedded game window. Godot runs the game as a separate process from the editor for 2 different reasons. Avoid having share resources as much as possible. In case of a game crash, the editor running keep the editor running to avoid thing. However, this design choice previously prevented embedding the game window into an editor, which is something that users with limited screen space like single monitor setups or laptops are looking for. Thanks to some window management tricks, it's now possible to embed the game seamlessly and interact with the rest of the editor. Okay, that's neat. I will say I do think I prefer that, not because I even have restricted screen space. I have like more than one window, right? It's just something that I don't think I'm that interested in, you know? That's nice. Stepping into your projects, interactive in-game editing. Ooh, that's actually interesting. Modify the game from within the editor while it's running or pause. It has never been easier. This release lets you click on elements within the scene and move the camera, allowing you to explore your game worlds. That's actually really neat. Hey, look at VR extension is being nice. Uber shaders are at load time precompiled versions of each shader with all their own features. Okay, that seems neat, I think. Yeah, so it's just showing like the performance difference. I see. Yeah, so it's just showing the hitching that you'll get if you don't actually have it. Okay. Do you get the jitters? 3D interpolation. We improve 3D physics interpolation for your 2D projects. In this case, the long-awaited 3D counterpart has been merged as well. Make sure to neat. New kid on the blocks. AGX tone mapping. That's actually really nice. That's because as far as I recall, AGX is a better, more natural tone mapping. And yeah, seeing better tone mapping is going to be better. So the 3D physics has been improved as they are claiming right here. I wonder if this is running in engine or like in browser or if it's doing something else. Either way, morbidly curious. Keys required. Type dictionaries, your requests haven't heard. Type dictionaries are coming to Godot. This impacts the core engine, GDScript, and all other scripting languages within the thing facing Godot's one interface with Godot's dictionary types. The inspector's UX has been improved accordingly to let you sign the right keys and values directly in the other. Thank fuck. If that is better, then that's a huge, huge fix. Okay, some optimizations. Curve domains outside 0.1, that's nice. Manifold library explains that. Okay, temporary file and utilities. Performance boost for everyone. Editor, no more broken paths. Neat. Snap URL, neat. That actually looks like a nice update if that actually works. Scene startup optimizations, 3D camera preview, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that was needed. GDScript tooltips, that's very nice. Actually, I'm surprised I didn't have that before. Replace print statements. New expression evaluator. New expression evaluators have been added to another tab, allowing. Has been added as another tab in the bottom panel of the editor. There you can evaluate expressions using the local state directly where possible, even as a breakpoint. Oh, yeah, that's neat. Both was good. Shadow Master and Light Master GI. Continue where you left off. Persistent window state. That's nice. Small but mighty. Visual shaders. I haven't gone into this yet. But anything visual work wise, I definitely prefer the visual shader stuff. Dang, this is taking a while to run. So I see that compiling nodes over here is not going to be a cute, brief little thing. I see this is going to be very much a leave it unless you absolutely need it. Okay, that's going to be fun. Auto start for all profilers. If you were to capture profiling data when running your game without missing a few times. Sorry. Whew, mush mouth. Auto start for all profilers. If you want to capture profiling data while running your game without missing a few seconds before loading a scene, you'll automatically with this checkbox. That makes sense. Errorless first project import. Neat. On the button, export underscore tool underscore button annotation. The tool developers amongst you asked for and our contributors delivered. You can now create buttons in the for the inspector from the thing. Neat. What does the syntax look like for that? Because that's actually a huge thing for me. Not a huge thing, but like I'm just curious. At tool, at export var color equals color.white, function randomize color equals that, export tool button, randomize color, random number generator, var button equals, I don't like that syntax. I don't like that syntax. That looks rough. Let's see. Stay on mobile. Okay, so they added some stuff. I don't really care too much about mobile, honestly. Hey, themed icons. That's cute. Okay, so there's a bunch of Android stuff. I don't care. Okay, Linux apparently has camera support now. Middle rendering backend. Okay, that's neat. Scripting. I don't like C++ or C#. I don't want C#. Systems neat. Would you look at that? Look at modifier 3D. With this type, you can now handle 3D procedural animation, partly represented deprecated 3D skeleton IK 3D. It is a specialized to making character models look at a target direction. Okay, that's cute. Jiggle physics. Thank God they showed it off with hair. I don't know which one's new and old. Which one's new and old? Springbone Simulator 3D. Okay, but like, can you... Okay, so they're just showing on like the front floofs of the hair. I see. Let's see. You can watch like right there. And with like the front hair if you watch like right here. If not, just rewind for that. Put a pin in it. Animation markers. Animation markers that create subregions of animation that can be easily jumped to or loop to without play. Okay, neat. Catch this WAV. Runtime WAV file loading. You can now load WAV files at runtime, just like OOG verbose audio tracks are allowed. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Faster imports. God bless. Customization animation imports. Hell yeah. Background checks, improved legacy code, physics, debug and style. Collision shapes now have a debug underscore color and debug.fill properties for the visualization in the editor. If the visible collision shapes is enabled on the debug menu, you can even change it at runtime. Neat. Rendering. Blend shadows. You can see a bit of, yeah, okay, there's a bit of smoothing there. That actually looks nice. That's a nice. Let's see. Light mask by cubic sampling and transparency, thanks to bicubic mapping and new anti-aliasing for direct light samples. Your low resolution static shadows will now look better than ever. This method for reading light mask smooths out sharp edges, but requires a small runtime performance cost. You can disable it in the project settings if needed. Neat. They added vertex shading for retro vibes. That's neat. This can be turned on from within existing material nodes or to force. Force enabled on materials via the project settings. Vertex shaders allow reduced GPU workload by checking whether or not vertices or coordinates are within the clip space visible to the camera before processing the data. This option is most commonly used to achieve PSX style graphics or target lower end devices. That definitely seems nice. Call me maybe to be batching. Batching is to perform optimization that actually reduces the number of call draws in a scene. This effect will be particularly noticeable in scenes with a lot of text rendering, repeated sprites sharing a texture. This is taking a long time to compile. Is my system toasty? It's a little toasty. It's a little warm. Let me feel you a little bit. Ooh, that's... You love speedcore? Hell yeah. Sorry if I missed that, but speedcore is not something I've actually heard of. I'll have to check it out after the stream. because like I will share this about very fast genres. I don't inherently dislike fast music. It's just I find a lot of it sounds like normal music that just has been sped up and quote unquote normal music, but like it sounds like regular music that's been sped up, right? And I don't think that that's necessarily superior, right? I think that it is it's different, but it's not taking advantage of the various like unique things that could happen in that space, right? Like as an example, I actually like slow music because a lot of slow music will actually let you take like notice of like phasing, right? So slow music really lets you feel that like wow 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 that happens when you have like two things that are in like phase or like slightly out of phase, right? It's delicious. Rendering driver fallback in case you were trying to run Godot with forward plus or mobile backends on a device that doesn't actually support Vulkan. What D3, D12 or metal? You can use the be met with an OS alert that has proven to confuse more than users than helpful. This change instead automatically makes the engine fall back to a compliancy renderer. This is based on OpenGL for moments when you do not have this behavior. You can toggle it. Okay, that's nice. Shadow caster mask properly. Users can now apply a mask on a singular light 3D object with rendering layers are on or consistent shadows. By adding this level of dynamic lights, can be further optimized to selectively turned on off. That sounds very nice for adding like a dynamic rim light to like a character to add like some like light to them, you know. Variations made easier. 2D shader instance uniforms. This release set supports for shader instant uniforms to canvas item shaders. I think that's how you say that. I was reading this as like an L for a second, and I'm like canvasal. Canvas item shaders, they allow you to assign different uniform value to each in the standalone item instead of having to compile separate shaders to achieve this. This approach is more performant than having to juggle materials and does not break batching. VFX, removing the guesswork. Emission shapes for 3D particle systems. Nice. From now on, you can rely on visualization of the 3D particle systems you're replacing in your scene instead of having to guess based on emission shapes properties alone. This works for both CPU and GPU rendering. Nice. Special thanks to all these epic people. Release credits page. Neat. Okay, those are some nice changes. I've managed to read the entire change log before frickin' the thing compiled. Which sucks. Not because I hate it, but because that means that like my C++ adventures are going to get slow. And if it's slow, I don't like slow. Oh, my CPU is cooking. I just realized I'm running at like 2 FPS. I am sorry. Well, y'all want to try some more Ultra Kill? Well, so here's what I'll do actually. I will open up Ultra Kill again for a second because I'm just morbidly curious. Let's see. So let me do this. Where the heck is my... I have to, like, unplug and replug the keyboard in with, like, a different cable. So give me a second. So, okay, so now I have this other cable. Neat. Okay, so now we have this. Wait, let me hide... Not hide. What I'll do is I'll enable you. And then we will also grab the terminal. And then we're going to take the terminal, and we're just going to move the terminal out just like that so we can see if it's still compiling. So that's the bar of what we're waiting on. Okay, so let's see. Let's keep going. So... Oh, I actually pulled out my gun. I didn't know you could pull out your gun here. Okay. That's neat. Sure. Cool. Oh wait, can I afford the last upgrade? Wasn't there an upgrade that I couldn't afford? Wasn't there an upgrade that I needed? Was it for... It was for that. It was the fire starter. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, the beat like switch. Neat. Well, time for some speed force here. Joint. Boink, boink. Oh, well. I'm dead? What happened? What happened? That was weird. Okay, I'll take it, I guess. I'll take it. What happened? Okay, I'm here now. Neat. Oh, orb. Or power. Okay, so that's the chainsaw dude that I have to fight later. How did I die over here? Did I just get hit in the back by an orb? Is that what happened? I don't mean to do that, but I'll take it. Can I... Whoop, wrong thing. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Alright, keep going. Hey, look, they cleared the room. Alright, where are we going with this? What's happening? Is this not where I'm supposed to go? Is that not where no, that's where I'm supposed to go, isn't it? Yeah, I remember that room. That was a fucking nightmare with the guy there. What? What? What happened? Where am I going with this? Excuse me? Did I go the wrong way? Is that the issue? Oh, I went the wrong way. Ha. Oh, hey, how's it going? Alright, well, that didn't work very well, so I'm just gonna go like this. Let up. Up. What happened there? What did I get hit by? Excuse you? Excuse you? Oh, and a little extreme. Whee! Oh, it's one of the guys still alive. Neat, look at that. Oh, because it's a freaking... I didn't notice the freaking stop there. Ah, I almost got in there. Rip. Oh, that's neat. Whoop! Wait, I want to go like this, and then I just want to go... whoop, no, wrong one. I forgot. Whoops! I forgot. Wrong tool. Whoopsies! Whoa, that's a big one. I missed the big one. Alright, let's go like this. We will say, point. Yeah, there we are. Alright, there we are. Whoop. Okay, that's... Alright, that wasn't a big one. That was just a mistake on my end. Alright, what do I want to do? Alright, where's my pen? There. Alright, neat. On I go, I guess? Neat. Okay, it's still compiling. My god, and to think I want to do something productive today. 43 kills? What? What did I miss for kills? Oh, was I supposed to, like, delete the room or something? Neat. Oh, I'm on violent. Neat. I didn't realize I was on a harder difficulty. Or the harder difficulty. Whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. Shush. Shush now, the idiot is talking. Oh, hello, come on. Point. Oh, I didn't need to kill a guy, whatever. We'll take it. Oh, hello. Oh, those guys fire differently now. Alright, I'll take it. Whoa. Okay, awesome. Oh, this is like the encore level, like... Was the encore level just all these sections combined or something? What was that about? Weird, I don't know. Anyways, oh, wait, no, I have the rocket launcher. Hold on. Ooh. Primary fire is weak around single enemies. Ah, I'm trying to get to the side so I can shoot him. I should have stood there. Let's see, whoops, hello. Whoop. Whoop, hello. Alright, we're gonna... Okay, hi, how's it going? Oh, I do more damage. Neat. Okay, where are we at? We're going. Hi, how's it going? I don't like this. Why does it feel weird? Oh, hello. Oh, that's a big beam of death. Okay. I don't know why I was not expecting a big beam of death. Hi, how's it going? Oh, I see those guys over there. Ooh, that's a big... Get out of here. Oh, hello, how's it going? Whoop! No, go away. Okay. Neat. construction one. How's it going? Oh, this is the room where I versus the chainsaw guy. Neat. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, why am I not pressing right? There we are. Better. Alright, there we are. Better. Come on. Whoop. 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 Oh, I was trying to parry that. I want to parry that so badly. Oh, come on. There we go. Whoops. Let's go like this. Whoop. Then hit you with one of those. Whoop. That is that. Can't do that again yet. One more try, please. Okay, there we are. Oh, there's a second health bar! I was expecting. Whoa. Okay, Alright, honestly, I was expecting a skeleton health bar there. Alright, I need to get better parry. Okay, there we are. Did I just take off one of his arms or something? Is that what happened? What happened? Okay. Now we're at that state currently of death. Oh, hello. Alright, go away. Please. Oh no, that wasn't enough! How was that not enough? How was that not enough? Okay. Alright, there's that, I guess. Neat. Okay, I did things, I think. So that my computer's still lagging because they're smiling. Yay. Hey, my time was an A. Look at that. Look at that. Hopefully it wasn't for like 3 restarts. Yeah, that adds up. Okay, well, I see I'm still lagging. Man, this is not going to be a worthwhile build system. Oh, hello. Hello. What do I want to do here? What do I want to do here? See, I know there's probably better ways to take out these enemies, but I just have no idea how that's going to be. Oh, hello, Morgan. Okay, oh, the candy changes for the other thing, yeah. Okay, anyway, sorry, oh, Maurice! Okay, I've destroyed that guy somehow, don't ask me how. Oh, I actually got extra help, whoops. Whoops! Oh, hello, how's it going? Well, I don't think I meant to do that. Anyway. Okay, that's maybe fine. Whoops! Hello! Can I do this before? Thank you. Can't ground slam him, because if I do that, I'm gonna get F in the A. Oh, I hit the ground instead. Nope! Okay, there we are. Alright, there's the husk. Ah! Oh my god, that was in the wrong spot for that spawn. Alright, I think I got them all. Is that all of them? No, there's one more. Did I get him? No. Hey, look at orb. Ooh, shiny. Oh, I just noticed there's a spinning fan there. Is that like a thing that like I could have been like a thing? Ultra kill spotted, yeah. You see those blue lines that are on the left over here where my mouse is wiggling kind of? You can see that weird flashing. That's a Godot trying to compile. and I don't know how long it's going to take, so I'm kind of trying to benchmark it to see, because there's something I want to do for like a workflow, and if that workflow doesn't work out very well, then I don't want to suffer with it. So I'm currently sitting here just like, well, while I'm quite literally waiting for nothing to happen, I guess I might as well, you know, do something like this. Whoop, hello? Whee! Sorry, this is the server site, isn't it? Yeah. Come on. Oh, do you just want me to enter, be all dramatic about it or something? Whoop, hello. Oh, also it's on brutal difficulty now, so if that's a thing, that's a thing. God damn it, okay, they hit harder. Got it. Noted. Oh, that was a slam. Okay, I'll take it. Ooh, oh my god, they bounce harder now. They bounce harder now. Okay, whoa, my god. Okay, get slammed. Get Shrek nerd. Whoop, hello. Okay, I need a slammy, please. Thank you. Oh, they do 2 bounces now. Okay, I see the attacks all vary now. That's cool. Whoop, hello. Hello. What are you attacking with? I see. Whoa, okay, I accidentally exited out of the game. Thank you, Windows, for the key. Okay, I am back. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we are. Back to suffering, I guess. Oh. Okay, I see it. Overwork this. Whoop, then I want to hit, but okay, I'll take it. Alright. I keep forgetting that I have like the bounce thing. Is this on cart? No, this is the regular one, but I'm just doing it in brutal. So hey, brutal's fun. I just got kind of silly. Whoop! Whoop! Okay, there we are. Where did that guy go? Fuck your orb. Whoop. I hit that too soon. Oh my god, I'm getting wrecked by like the guys. Alright, let's see. Whoops. Oh, hello. Whoop. Oh my god, I got bodied by that guy. These guys are like way more aggressive than freaking the other mode. Or this mode, whatever this mode is. You know, what was that? Oh, that's the more reskin, I see, yes. Whoop, hello. Whoop. Okay, okay, so they're targeting where I'm going, not where I am. Oh, I can't freaking body that guy. Oh my god, I can't body this guy. Oh my god, I just have to be like extra aggressive. Holy shit. Oh my god, this guy is intense. Why is he so intense? Okay, what are my weapons again? I have the rocket launcher, I guess. But I don't think this will do that much damage to him, do they? Yeah, no, not really. Yeah, so they dodged twice. Fuck you. Alright, whoop, hello. Whoop, turn charge. Okay. Didn't hit that right. Carry me, casual. Well, I don't know what I hit. What happened there? Whoa. Wait, hold on. Can I just bombing run this guy? Hold on. Can I just bombing run that guy? Whoop, hello. I see. Oh my god, I am bad at this mode. Okay. Come on. I was really too late for that. Whoop. Okay, so my movements have to be a lot more deliberate than I've been doing before. I have to pay a lot more attention now. Oh, I thought I got that. Oh. Yeah, batter up. Come on. There we go. Come on. God, that too soon, I panicked. Okay, so I don't think I can parry the dodge, I think? Oh, too soon. Come on. On the wind up a little bit later. Nope, 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 didn't do it. I can slam too, fuck you. Come on. Slam me with an orb. Not like that, not like that! I know I said slam, but not like that. Whoop. Alright, see, I've been just trying to pay a lot more. Oh, the other guy has half health? What? Why does the other guy have half health? What? Why does the other guy have half health? I'm so confused. Okay, I guess. I don't know why that guy has half health already. I'm very thrown off by that, actually. Ah, I hit myself with my own rocket. Oh, I hit myself with my own rocket. Well, that's annoying. Alright. Parry that casual. Parry that casual. Whoop, I thought I got one. Oh, because I'm using the wrong gun. There we go. Okay, can I... Wait, I see that. Whoa, oh. Whoa, my god! Okay, did I get it? Okay, so that guy just spawns with half health. I see. Oh my god, I'm bad. Oh my god, I'm bad. Okay. Come on. Alright, so base. Go over 3. We go boing, 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 boing. Carry that. Alright, okay, come on. Whoop, I got slammed. Whoop. Oh my god. Oh my god! Alright, so what's happening with my life? Oh my god, okay. Okay, that's a bit intense. Okay, so I still get damaged if I do that shit. So, can I parry his dodge? That's my main question. Can I parry dodge? Okay, yes, I understand that. I just need to play around for a minute so I can figure out if I can or can't. So yeah, I get that. Okay, I'm a little bit off on the timing. I think I'm too early. Yeah. Yeah, we get that. Okay, no. Just disrespect. Okay, I see how it is. Okay, reset. Got you, thank you. Alright, come on, try dodging. Thank you. Okay, well, I can't dodge that, so I just respond to the murder count. Okay, let's see. Whoop, didn't need to do that. No. Okay, just gotta disrespect them real quickly. Okay, nice time, thank you. See, my issue is that I think I have to play really high with those guys now. Especially when there's multiple, because if I'm not playing very high in the air, then I don't think I can actually, like, do anything with them. Does that make sense? Come on, dodge that. Dodge that. Come on. I don't want to stop. I want to dodge. Alright. I'm trying to figure out if I can dodge. Can I not parry that dash? Is that what's happening? Okay, I hit that, I think. Okay, okay, so how do I deal with you, like you're dodging? Yeah, I get that. Okay, like, what about the dodge? do I not counter that dodge anymore? Is this bad timing, or is this me being, like, bad? I actually have no idea. Because I can dodge for days, but I want to be better at the game, right? So, oh no, I saw a flash there, I think. No, maybe I was tripping? Maybe it was the other thing that I misread? That's the only thing that I can think of. I don't just want to, like, dump it, you know? It's like I want to do more than just, you know, do the most generic shit possible, but, like... Oh, yeah, I have the grapple hook. I completely forgot I have the grapple hook. What? Okay, yeah, that probably makes my life a lot easier. Oh, yeah, now, okay, so this is like a true mastery starts here type thing, I see. The whole tool juggling thing. Have you ever heard of an artist called Fentanyl? Yes, actually. I had a tab with their new song out. I forget what it's called. But the one that looks like they're about to kick in the camera. And then just never got around to listening to it because busy life. Whoops, hello. Oh, you're sound bound now. That's cool. Okay. Hi. How's it going? Whoops, hello. Oh. Ooh, but yeah, why do you ask about the fentanyl stuff? Out of curiosity. Okay, let's go for some of that. We'll follow up with one of these. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing currently? Oh, yeah, that's pain in the ass. I thought I would've got that hit. That hit seems like it should have hit. Whatever. Okay, okay, so the issue is that I can't do a lot of those. Okay, so this seems like a good way to get a lot of distance. Long story short. Okay. I'm right now, long story short, I'm just trying to figure out my kit basically. Okay, well, okay. Let's try that. Oh my god, it's really. Oh my god, I picked that up and I have one health! Oh! Did I get that guy? I can't tell if I got that guy, if that was just a very well-timed explosion on my end.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no, so I think it's really concerned that I can't carry that now. Got it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the ricochet doesn't seem to want to stack very well. Whoops. Okay, so what if I do something like this? Ooh, that one seems better. Oh, that seems to be doing a lot better, actually. Because these guys kind of give out on health, honestly, so if I can keep fucking bodying these guys, then that might actually be a really good way to combo this shit. There's 3 the max. Okay, got it. So it's only 2. But I can combine with the grapple to latch on and freaking. Okay, well, maybe that strategy's not for me. It's still compiling. God damn, that is a long compile time. That's a long compile time. And you can tell by how laggy I am that it's doing work. But you don't mean the saw that one dodging. I couldn't do anything about that. I'm trying to interpret how to play this because I also have no idea. Or is it maybe something like this where like I need to use like the ricochet shot or whatever it is to fire harder? Nope. Nope. Yeah, no, that's weird. That's weird. Third versus you're messing with me now. Okay, I see how it is. Let's see. Whoa, hello. Okay, so once these guys close the distance, that seems to be a massive nightmare for me. So I want to create the distance as I can. Oh my gosh. See, like, I'm trying to use that tool as like a way to get like distance, right? Okay, so now if I go here, I have the shotgun, which I can... Can I parry these shots? Yeah, I think I can. So, I want to see what happens if I, like, dual parry or whatever. Alright, let's see. Point. Okay, point. Nope. Let's see. Let's go maybe something like that. Alright, oh, that's it. Slam him! Oh, that worked. Okay, nail gun now, please. Saw gun, whatever. Okay, whoops. Can I freaking... Okay, never mind. No, it's cool, don't worry about it, it's fine. It's not like I want to do anything cool. Ah! Okay, I need blood. Woo! Oh my god, I don't even recognize what's happening anymore. Okay, I'm out of dodges, so I just gotta wait a second for that to recharge mostly. Okay, I need or blood or whatever the heck it's called. I hit him and he still got me. Ah! Okay, what about the rail cannon? Anything interesting? Yeah, you have the most mail cannon. Whatever. Oh, I forgot about this one. Where I can go like this and then, you know, full on burst cannon. Whoop. Whoop, hello. Alright, let's see. Come on. Whoop! Whoop! Come on, hardy. Come on. Maybe want some push. Whoop! Oh, okay, that was a whiff. That was a prime whiff. Whoop! Where did my coin go? Where's my coin? Oh, only has one there, so that sucks for me. Whoop. Okay, what? Oh my god, hey, that was a cooldown or something. I don't know what's happening. No, I don't know what's happening. Come here, shotgun. Okay, I took way too much damage from that. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I am somehow staying barely neutral when it comes to health. That's cool. I now died because I commented on my health. That is awesome. Okay. Maybe I should just use the drill attachment and just the view that I got of that. Whoa, okay, that does not sound very comforting to me. Whoop, that's the wrong 3, I think. Well, let's see, alright, come on. Whoop, hello. I don't know where I hit there. I thought too early. Whoop, hello. You wanna... There we are, thank you. Whoop. Dodge and dodge. And I think I hit that. then, hey guys, how's it going? Nice to know the two of you. Again. Gotta love to see it. Whoa! Okay, wrong two! Oh, that's what I wanted. Thank you. I need that space. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, I hit the ceiling. Okay, I'll take it. Whoop. Oh no. Whoop. What? No, my thing didn't go up! Why is my thing going up? My jackhammer. Point. Point. That was normal too. I should have counted that one. Alright, point. Oh, not what I wanted. What else happened anymore? I don't even know what's happening. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take the bounce. Oh, okay, I got eviscerated there. Holy shit. It's still compiling. That is insane. Okay. Like I know I'm trying to stream at the same time, but like, you know, it's kind of one of those, you know, it shouldn't take that long sort of things. Oh my god, they keep dapping me. They keep dapping on me. Okay, I don't think that's actually the move. I think that when it comes to this, I think alternative with regular would probably be better. Because I can go. Oh yeah, 2 shots again. How much does the overloaded shotgun do to the regular one? Just like comparatively? Okay, so that does nothing. Shotgun is more regular? Did I have really good RNG with that? This is me purely playing. I have no idea what's happening. Is that what's going on? Okay, that one just didn't hit, I guess. Okay, so no, so it doesn't do, like, basically any extra. Oh, the overloaded shotgun's kind of okay for a hit. Oh, wait, no, it isn't. Because I didn't hear it. Okay, yeah, no, the overloaded shotgun's actually okay for, like, doing, like, damage. Whoop, hello. Whoop, hello. Okay, I don't feel like that one should have hit me, but sure. Okay. How the hell do I deal with this? Okay, so I just don't feel like the overloaded shotgun is even worth it at all. I'm trying to like evaluate my kit and think if there's anything else that I'm like missing. I almost wish they had like an event wheel type thing, like Doom or something, where like, oh, they do. Look at that. What does Q do? Like, okay, I see Q too. Oh, I see. Wait, does it do that? Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, so it's cycle right / left. I see. Okay, that's actually better. Whoops, hello. Whoop! Nope, I didn't want to do that. Okay, I'm trying to get used to the controls, because some of the controls are very confusing. Because I've been hitting the button repeat like over and over again to like try to get it. Hello. What? Did I just zoom in? What? Why did I just zoom in? What? Is the rail cam one guy that can zoom in? I actually had no idea it could. Okay, news to me. I'm still trying to play around with things right now, so like, don't mind me. How many vortex of pain will kill you? Alright, I thought I dodged that. I feel like I'm not dodging as much as I should. Like in context of like how I feel, not like what I actually do. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea. Can't say. Whoop, hello. Alright, let's see. Try that again. Come on. That was bad. I should have parried that. I thought that was going to be a dodge for a second. Okay, not what I was expecting. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, hey, look at that. A little damage up to death. Look at that. Alright, let's see about this. Oh, I see it's a little bit more cool down there. I hit dodge there. That was frustrating. Alright, come on, let's try to do this. How much damage do you do? Oh, you do good enough. I feel like I got that one. Whatever. Wow! Alright, come on. Oh, nail bomb. Nail bomb. I don't care who. Nail bomb tether! I'm okay at dumping my load, but like it's one of those things where if I can't do that, then it's just like I'll pick that. Okay, whoops. Oh my god, I got close there too. God damn it. God damn it. Well, let's see. One's wrong button. Oh my god, I'm just trying to hit a coin, dude. I'm just trying to hit a coin, dude. Let me hit the coin. Fuck you. What? I hit the melee. Okay, actually I hit the other one at some point. I see. Okay, that's fun. Oh, hey, look at it. Finally got it done. Okay. Well, look at that. We can finally stop playing Ultra Kill. Quick mission. Yeah, I don't care that much. It's the service mission. It's not that long. Oh, I was so confused by something I heard for a second. I was like, what? 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 The fuck? Alright, let's see what's going on now. So, loading back up my thing. Back to try to do development, because holy shit, that took a while. Let's see. Okay, so we're back to here. So it said there was an error there. Was built for newer Mac OS. Okay, I don't care that much. Time elapsed 52 minutes. Yep, that sounds about right. Okay, so if I do this, so I'm currently slid into here. Did it exit into here? Because this is the source code. So is there like an out? Author, change log, config, core, whatever. Project bin. Okay, linking that. Okay, that was built for a newer macOS version. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, but like, where did it export to? Because I realized I should have figured that out first, but I would have imagined it just popped out into here or something. Because right now what it's seeing, static library, linking static library, that linking program bin. Is it just in my bin folder? Is that where it went to? If I go out to here, no, bin is gonna be freaking like there. But then I need to do, what is it? Command shift question mark, I think? No, command shift dot. There we are. Bin. What the hell is that? What are you? Oh, what? I have no idea what that program is. Alright, well, I installed malware or something, I guess. Okay, is godot here? Whoops. Make directory, that. Yeah, so these are all like my default tools. I see that, but I don't see godot in here. Okay, so what was it doing? Okay, warning object file. Okay, so it's saying, I think, because I have no familiar with this tool. So it's going to be in my user folder. No, it isn't. I'm tripping. Okay, wait. Hold on a second. It's configured. Yeah, okay. So it took up all CPU threads at once. So that was it, quite literally, like throttling the wall as hard as it could to see what it could run. So fair enough. Resulting platform will be in the bin subdirectory. Okay, yeah, it was. So I was on the right track with the bin then. I just fucking don't know what happened. So we're gonna be here. It's gonna be on my hard drive. It's gonna be bin. Following the thing. Or is it like user binary as an example? I actually have no idea. I actually have genuinely no idea. Because it's saying it'll be placed in the bin subdirectory generally. Oh, does it mean like within the project? Bin. There it is. Okay. Yeah, go. I saw a thing flash. I don't know if it's gonna run. Is it happy? Is it unhappy? I don't see anything. Oh, okay. So it is running. Oh, and it does kind of load. Okay, so it did work. ls bin is the binary for x11 not optimized. It has tools. The whole editor compiled means 64 bits. Yeah. Okay, so it compiled very slowly. So platform because that tools are enabled by default in all PC targets. Linux, Windows, Mac OS enabled for everything else. Disabling tools produces a binary that can run projects, but does not include the editor or the project manager. Okay, that sounds weird. Target controls optimization debug files. Each module means debug build with C++ debugging symbols, runtime checks, performance, runtime error, and on built-in optimization. Release debug build without C++ debugging system symbols and optimizations, but keep the runtime checks. Release build without symbols with optimization and built to no runtime checks. This target can't be used together with tools equals yes, as the editor requires some debug functionality in the real two-time change to run. Okay. The flag appends the .bug debug suffix or the .tool suffix. Debug tools enabled. Okay, so does it have that? .editor. Okay. So it kind of has that. Bits is meant to control the CPU or OS version, meant to run binaries. It is focused primarily on desktop platforms and ignored everywhere else. 32 build binaries for 32-bit platforms, 64 build for 64-bit platforms. Default build the architecture that matches the host platform. Scons platform equals platform. Bits equals default /32-64. The flag appends .32-64 to the suffixes binaries when relevant. If bits equals default, use the suffix will match the detected hardware. Custom modules. It is possible to compile custom modules residing outside Godot's directory tree along with the built-in modules. A custom module. Oh, I just realized I think I closed the other one now. So now I wanted to see very quickly as well if Godot is running in native mode or if it's running in a supported mode. Yeah, you can open anyways in this version. So, loading this up. Seeing what happens. I got a friend request from the person I played with yesterday. No, I didn't. I received a gift. Oh. Why, thank you, Tony. Shout out to Tony. Muchas gracias. And Godot is still loading. That's where we're currently at. The macOS version of Godot, by the way. Oh, I just realized my VTuber's running extra chunky right now. Why do you want an extra chunky, huh? 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 What you want chunky for? Like, yeah, you're rough, but, like, you shouldn't be that bad. I see I'm just absolutely just slamming my computer, making it scream. That's always cool. That's always cool. Hopefully this is some pre-compiling stuff, and then after that it'll be all cool. Because I am actually launching this for the first time since like the update, so it could be doing a bunch of updatey stuff. Let us see. Oh yeah, that's a lot of errors. Let's see. Yeah, restart and update. Let's see what fresh hell we're getting into. Let's see what's happening, shall we? Okay, so there's all that. So it seems to be running now. The editor actually feels a little bit smoother. Oh hey, look at it. I'm not laggy anymore. But yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh hey, look at it. It shows a little preview when you hover now. That's cute. Anyways, where was I going with all this? That definitely isn't correct, but sure, I'll take it. At least that preview wasn't. Anyways. Okay, so all this is working now. We got that all nice and fun. Okay, so back to the reading. So, oh, I just realized you can see any of that. Ha 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 ha. So let's see. Display modules is possible to compile modules residing outside of Godot's directory trees, along with the built-in modules. A custom underscore modules build operation can be passed to the command line before compiling. Okay, so just basically saying, hey, pass the modules in. The option represents a comma-separated list of directory paths containing a collection of independent C++ modules that can be seen as C++ packages, just like the built-in modules / directory. For instance, it's possible to provide both relative and absolute user directory paths containing such modules. Yep, I get that. Note if there's any custom module with the exact directory name as the built-in module, the engine will only compile the custom one. The logic can be used to override built-in module implementations. See also custom module C++. Sometimes you may encounter an error due to generated files being present. You can remove them by using scon's clean options, where options is the list of build options you used to build Godot previously. Alternatively, you can use git clean fixed, which will clean the build artifacts for all platforms and configurations. Beware, this will remove all untracked and ignore files in the repository. Don't run this command if you have uncommitted work. Yep. Other build options. There are several other build options that you can use to configure Godot, to configure the way Godot should be built, compiler debug options, etc., as well as new features to include dis/disable. Check out the output of scon's help for detail about each option, version you're compiling. Override the build default options using a file. Try the custom.py, which can be created at the root of the Godot engine to initialize the scon's build in the process via the command line. Custom py optimize size. Module mono enabled, yes. Use LLVM, sure. Use suffix game title. You can also disable some of the built-in modules before compiling. Saving time takes saving some time takes build to the engine. Oh my god. You can also disable some of the built-in modules before compiling, saving some time it takes to build the engine. See optimizing a build for size. Okay, so strip binary, optimizing size instead of speed, compiling with link time optimization, disabling 3D, excuse me. Okay. Disabling advanced GUI objects, disabling unwanted modules. Neat. Okay, options are fun. Whoops. Hello. Thanks for doing that, Zen. I love that. Okay, anyways, where are we going from this? So, now that we're here... this wasn't the tab we were on, was it? I did go back, right? Yeah. Yeah. No, this is the get code. That's something else. Where was the tab we were on? Okay, modules. No, that's something else. That's the Godot engine source code. What magical little trip was I taking on an adventure for? Oh, I also need scasms or wasms, so yesm. So let's see. Let's do brew install yesm. We'll grab that as well, just while we're at it. Okay, but like I was at like introduction to the build system, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I was around here-ish. Okay, so then target bits. I was at like cleaning generated output files, I think. Oh no, these were at the build options. We were doing other build options, overriding build options. No, we weren't here. We were at... I think I just got yanked out somewhere else entirely. Okay, cool. You can also disable some of the built-in modules for compiling. It takes us time to build the engine. Yeah, I hit that, and I think that's where I wandered off. You can use the online Godot build options generator to generate a custom .py file containing scons options. You can use and then save the file in place of the root of your Godot source directory. Okay, is that actually a thing that I can just generate? Dang, that is just everything. That's everything. Oh my god, that's everything. You know that's a dev tool that some dev made because I just found it really annoying to memorize all the options. Actually, was that like an official Godot engine thing, or was that like a side thing? Yep, no, that's a side thing, I think. So that's cool. Let's see. Yes, we're on the scons thing. Okay, but we were at here. Yeah, we're at here. Another custom file can be specified explicitly with the profile command line option, both overriding default build configuration. Scons profile equals that. Note, build systems set from the file can be overridden by the command line options. It is also possible to override the commands optionally, commands conditionally. Import version if major version equals that. Pass lf major version equals that. Pass. Using the scons flags. The scons flag is an environment variable which is used by the scons to set the options automatically without having to supply them via the command line. For instance, you may want to force a number of CPU threads with the aforementioned -j option for all future builds. Okay, so export scons flag goes that. Export templates. Official export templates are now downloaded from the Godot engine site. However, you might want to build them yourself in case you want newer ones, or you're using custom modules, or simply don't trust your own shadow. If you download the official export templates package and zip it, you will notice that most files are optimized binary packages for each platform. To create those yourself, the additional instructions. Okay, I'm not really that concerned about it. So, like, where I'm at with this right now is I still want to build modules, but, like, my issue is that, like, with Godot taking 56 minutes on, like, all my threads is not lightweight work, right? Like, that's a bit extensive for what it is. Also, I realized I'm kind of ignoring chat. My apologies. Well, good thing chat wasn't active. But yeah, like, what's bothering me about this is that I don't like how... I don't like how long Godot took to build. Because I was hoping it would be, like, maybe 5 minutes. Sweet, naive little me, right? But I was hoping it would be like 5 minutes, because if it was 5 minutes, then I could easily, you know, hammer out an alternate version, right? I can do things, I can get going, I can kind of get some groundwork, right? Where, by me not being able to do that, it's very rough, and it's kind of... It's kind of killing my enthusiasm, right? Because, like, I'm sitting here, and it's like I don't want to use C# because that has... I've had consistently bad issues with C#. I don't know if it's a Unity thing or what, but I just had bad issues with it, and I don't really look forward to using it. So, like, I can if I absolutely have to, but then the issue is that still leaves me with a garbage collection. That would fix a lot of my issues with it, but, like, I know, like, C# is, like, somewhat new to the whole, like, pipeline of, like, Godot, so I don't really want to rely on it. Then there's freaking what do you call it? There's God, I can't think of it right now. There's then also like the issue of that, like I can't really say I'm like. Is it like bad that I'm just not having fun with this? You know, like it's not that I like I enjoy the idea of it, but it's like the issue is that Godot's native language is such a sore spot for me, right? Like I think if GD script was like not white space significant, I wouldn't mind it remotely as much, but it's so rough for me to even like want to even touch it with how it's, you know, that, right? Like it's very rough, it's very much a freaking oof, you know. I don't want to rely on it, right? Like it's just something where it's like, you know, like this is a bit of like not wanting to learn more, but like I've become very comfortable with like C-like languages, and then having to switch to something like Python, which is a language that I already don't like, is just absolutely grueling for me. So I don't know. I'm almost debating switching into like something else, like either trying to do like custom engine work or do something else entirely. I think I'm gonna actually pause the stream here, I think, and I'm gonna have to sit on this because my expectations were very clearly wrong. So I'm gonna have to choose whether or not I'm just swallowing my pride, moving to a different engine, trying to make my own engine from scratch, or like what the hell I'm doing, because me doing effectively anything else is going to be very rough. I'm not going to be very enthused about it, and it's not that I'm like it's not that I'm inherently that upset. It's just like I'm acknowledging it isn't for me, right? And like I don't want to stick with that, right? Like yeah, like, you know, it's code, it's not meant to be fun, blah 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 blah, but like at the exact same time, it's like for me there's certain things that are just hard to cross, and like I cannot expound how much like significant white space languages bother me, right? Like genuinely bother me. So because of that, it's so hard for me to say what I want to do, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna pause the stream there, and I'm gonna have to reevaluate like where I'm sitting on this, because it's just so hard for me to even like want to continue with the build times being an hour, because I was really hoping I could just bang out a bunch of like micro C# or C++, C++ files. I could bang out a bunch of those, and then just basically in GD script just loosely stitch them together, like, you know, like, oh, godot script call thing, and then it just runs the C++ file, and it's like, oh, do other thing, and then it just runs that C++ file, right? Like I was really hoping to be able to do that. But with the build times, it's not amazing, and I'm worried about, like cold starts. If I made everything like an independent module, I somehow called out to that. Then I'm worried about like myself just not having the like not the qualified experience, because guess what? This is a personal project. Who gives a shit? But I'm worried about not being able to execute what I want to be able to execute, right? And if I can't execute what I want to be able to execute, that's a massive issue. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it here for tonight. I'm gonna sit on this, and I'm gonna reconsider, because I've honestly not been having that much fun with Godot, and it concerns me, the idea of having to stick with this moving forward. Yeah. I guess that's a stream.